Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vlog. In this, we are going to start to make a video tutorial on Python scripting for absolute beginners. So the next question will be why should you choose Python over other languages? So let me give you some intro about Python initially and tell you why should you start learning Python. So when talking about the introduction to Python, it was initially started in late 1980s and it was developed by Guido van Rossum. It was actually his first hobby project. So before the Python, he was working on ABC programming language, and Python is considered to be one of his succeeded ABC programming language. So it's obvious that everybody would have a doubt why the language is known as Python. So whether it was actually the snake's name, the Great Python, or it doesn't have any meaning. Of course, it has a separate history for its name. So let's discuss about how did it get the name Python. Why did the author give the language Python? So here is an inspiration story behind it. The name came from the famous TV show, one of the BBC's famous TV shows, Monty Python's Flying Circus. As the author was one of the big fan of the TV show, and he always wanted a short, unique, and a mysterious name for his invention, and hence he named his language after the TV show Monty Python's, and it was termed as Python. So the next big question will be why should you learn Python? So that is the next big question everybody would ask, even myself will ask. So the main purpose of learning the Python is so like other languages like C, C++ or Java, Python is also a general purpose programming language and it is now becoming one of the most popular language in the industry IT industry field. And it is also very important. So if you are having any idea of doing a machine learning program or to become a data scientist, you should have a knowledge of Python and it is very important or it is a prerequisite for both of these courses. So out of the above mentioned reasons, the main reason to learn Python is it is very much easy and it is very much easy to understand when compared to C, C++ or Java. So this is the reason why it is becoming the next popular language in the field and almost in every university they are now teaching this language because it makes the concept pretty easier and it makes the concepts to understand pretty easier. So the field technicians would always want the language which is easier and the concepts to be understand easier. So this is why everybody should try to learn Python, especially who are in the IT field or is about to pursue a career in IT field should definitely know the learn Python. And this course is mainly about scripting in Python. So scripting is nothing but to automate the task that your computer can do for you. All you have to do is that you have to just write some code so that your computer can do the task for you. Yes, of course, Python is such kind of language which helps us in scripting, and it is also providing much more libraries compared to other programming languages. So these are the reasons. So why should you learn Python in future or to pursue a career? I think this is enough reason to learn Python. What kind of opportunities or where do I get opportunities if I learn Python? So the answer is today almost every big companies around the globe. So consider Google, Nokia, Amazon, and YouTube. Not only these companies, there are pretty other companies like IBM, Yahoo, Walt Disney Feature Animation, Facebook, Netflix, Expedia, Uber, and many more companies which are using Python as the core language. So you have plenty of opportunities not to worry about. All you have to do is that you have to successfully learn Python scripting so that you would get an ocean of opportunities. After knowing all the details of the Python, so the next important thing you have to know about is the versions of Python. So the initial version of Python was launched in 1994, which was Python 1.0. From then to now, there were many features added in the latest versions, and new updates were updated. So the current version of the Python is Python 3.8. which was launched in 14th October 2009. Finally, we are about to know an interesting thing about Python, which is Python does have flavors in it. So these are some of the flavors which are used. So the first one is C Python, followed by many other flavors of the Python. That's it to know about the introduction of Python. So friends, follow this video tutorial to know more about Python scripting, and do subscribe to our channel so that it will further motivate us in doing further videos about Python. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Please watch the subsequent videos so that you would have a clear idea in Python. Thank you, friends.